Want to lose belly fat in just 30 days? Stick around to find out how. Hey everyone, it's Dietizen here. Is it really possible to lose belly fat in just 30 days? Yes, but it takes the right approach. Forget fad diets and crazy workout routines. I'm here to give you science-backed advice that actually works. In this video, I'm breaking down a step-by-step plan to help you achieve your belly fat loss goals. Remember, it's not just about fitting into that old pair of jeans, it's about improving your health and well-being from the inside out. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what you're putting into your body. We're not talking about deprivation here, we're talking about making smart choices. Focus on macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Don't be afraid of carbs. We need carbs for energy, but the key is choosing the right ones. Opt for complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. Next up, protein. Think lean meats, fish, beans, lentils, and Greek yogurt. And don't forget healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all great sources. Now let's talk about stress. Chronic stress can lead to increased belly fat storage. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is meant to be helpful in small doses, but constant stress keeps those levels elevated, leading to increased belly fat storage. Managing stress is crucial. Find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you, whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Reducing stress can significantly impact your belly fat loss journey. Now let's get moving. Exercise is non-negotiable when it comes to losing belly fat. Focus on two main types of exercise: cardio and strength training. Cardio gets your heart rate up and burns calories. Think brisk walking, running, swimming, biking, or dancing. Aim for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Strength training is essential for building muscle, which burns more calories even at rest. Include bodyweight exercises, lifting weights, or using resistance bands a couple of times a week. Now for a secret weapon in your belly fat loss journey: sleep. Sleep is crucial for weight loss and overall health. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, which is linked to belly fat storage. Lack of sleep also disrupts hunger hormones, leading to increased cravings. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. You've got all the tools you need. Now it's all about putting in the work and staying consistent. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. One way to stay motivated is to track your progress. Keep a food journal to monitor your calorie intake and make healthier choices. Track your workouts and celebrate your achievements. Be patient with yourself. It takes time to see results, but if you stick with it, you will achieve your goals. So there you have it, your step-by-step plan to lose belly fat in 30 days. It's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining health, confidence, and feeling your absolute best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future health tips. Keep up the amazing work, and I'll see you in the next video.